It's pretty pissed. It's pretty sick. It's revolting. It's insulting. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo! Nature boy Ric Flair, baby. Woo!
Bishop! I ain't leaving.
Oh, wait a minute. We're in boxing for a second. Oh!
Sickening. Woo! 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 Nature boy Ric Flair, baby. It's piss. I'm going to the gym tonight. Woo! Woo! Woo!
He thinks he's the man. Look at him. He loves himself too much.
I do, bro. I love it. I love it. I
You
love
got a
it.
lot of fat on your body though.
I got
For a bodybuilding show, you way out of shape.
what? I got tested by my buddy. He said I'm 11%.
That don't matter. What you think you're gonna win with 11% right now?
No, but I'm gonna
Okay,
get down to
then.
5 in
We'll
10
see.
more weeks.
Right here.
I
This
know,
what
bro.
I'm hearing. Hey, this is what I'm hearing.
I got a champion pro trainer.
I don't care what you got.
My buddy's a pro.
It
He
don't
told
matter.
me my
You got that trainer in the world, but you don't got dedication.
I got dedication,
I
bro.
don't see it.
Oh, you're wrong.
I don't
You're
see
wrong.
it. No, I'm not. What play?
I'll go until I die.
That's
I'm a
good.
warrior. At least I got the heart.
You're 100% right.
Yep.
100% right. You got the heart.
You need heart.
You definitely do.
No heart, I mean, it's just good for me.
You're working with a pro, but you're on a budget.
He's giving it to me for free because of my fans, all the fans I got. I got 1,000 friends on Facebook.
1,000 friends? You know how many friends I got on Facebook?
How many?
2,000 or so.
Yeah, but I've been on the radio station 3 times on RMX Muscles for real. Yep.
That's what's up.
I got fans, bro. People who love me. I just got a guy working with me. His name is Vince Robbins. He claims he's a pro, so he's working with me. I'm gonna see him about 2 weeks to 3 weeks prep. He's gonna get me ready. Put the icing on the cake. At the
You gotta
end.
get the cake before you can put the icing on it.
Well, he's gonna put the icing on it for me.
You gotta get the cake
I'm
first.
gonna get the cake.
We'll see. You looking small to me.
What? I'm big for a little short guy, buddy.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I'll show you a big short guy. I got it.
Come on, Jay. Jason, it's time for hater reps.
Hater rep.
Hater reps, let's do it.
Hater reps.
Oh, get it. Yeah, let's do the hater reps.
Right on cue, hater reps. Till you puke, kid. Till you puke, kid. Don't rack it. Don't you dare rack that shit.
Woo! Nature boy Ric Flair. Woo! Nature boy Ric Flair. Woo! Woo!